beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video I will be telling you about 15 points on Tucson kitchen design inspiration with this unique contents. So if you like the video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget the bell icon button for more interesting video. Let's start. The point number 1 is here: warm color palette. Tuscan kitchens are known for their warm color palette, which include shades of yellow, orange, brown, and green. Use these colors on walls, cabinet, and decor. The point number 2 is here: natural material. Tuscan kitchen often feature natural materials such as stone, brick, and wood. Consider incorporating these materials into your kitchen design. The point number 3 is here: rustic touches. Rustic touches such as distressed cabinets and wood iron accent are common in Tuscan kitchen design. The point number 4 is here: open shelving. Open shelving is a great way to display decorative dishes and kitchenware in a Tuscan kitchen. The point number 5 is here: hand-painted tiles. Hand-painted tiles with a Tuscan theme such as grapes or sunflowers can add a unique touch to your kitchen backsplash. The point number 6 is here: textured wall. Textured walls such as stucco or ventilate plaster and depth and texture to a Tuscan kitchen. The point number 7 is here: large island. A large kitchen island can serve as a central gathering place for family and friends in a Tuscan kitchen. The point number 8 is here: ornate lighting. Ornate lighting fixtures such as wrought iron chandeliers can add a touch of elegance to a Tuscan kitchen. Point number 9 is here: wood beams. Wood beams on the ceiling can add warmth and character to a Tuscan kitchen. The point number 10 is here: stone countertops. Stone countertops such as granite or marble are popular in Tuscan kitchen design. The point number 11 is here: portrait. A portrait can be a functional and decorative addition to a Tuscan kitchen. The point number 12 is here: vintage essence. Vintage essence such as antique kitchenware and old-fashioned segnag can add charm and personality to a Tuscan kitchen. The point number 13 is here: ceramic dinnerware. Ceramic dinnerware with Tuscan-inspired design can add a touch of authenticity to your kitchen decor. The point number 14 is here: greenery. Potted herbs and other greenery can add a fresh and natural touch to a Tuscan kitchen. The point number 15 is here: cozy seating. Cozy seating such as breakfast nook or banquette can make your Tuscan kitchen feel like welcome gathering place for family and friends. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting video. Thanks.